There is something that's working for me big time. मुझे बहुत हेल्प हो रही है उससे and I want you all to get help by that. ऑफिस का दिन है, मैं जा रही हूँ ऑफिस के लिए, रेडी हो चुकी हूँ एंड थोड़ा गर्मी है बाहर, वेदर इतना प्लेजेंट नहीं है बट ऑफिस जाना है तो आई हैव ट्राइड टू find out the best way in which I can feel comfortable and go to my workplace. But before I go, there is something I write. So usually what I do is I try to keep this page where I keep writing what all I have been thinking of lately, and I just keep writing them. And this is one thing which I had written, which is very recently on my mind. And I feel कि उसने मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी है, literally in literal sense, in being comfortable, being at peace with myself and just being okay. Okay, so what I've written is, come closer. Yeah. This body is not us. Treat it separate from you and look at it from a place of separation and not you, and then treat it like a project. How to improve it on a daily basis? When we don't take care of it, then we have to feel the illness of it. जब तक हम इस बॉडी के अंदर बंधे रहते हैं, हम फील करते हैं कि मैं ये बॉडी हूँ, और मतलब अपने आप को इस बॉडी से रिलेट करके रखना, इस बॉडी से जुड़ी हुई चीजों के साथ रिलेट करके रखना और ये समझना कि मैं यही हूँ. That's the problem. We will have to understand that we're not this body, we're not this mind, we're not these thoughts, we're not anything of that. It's all an amalgamation of whatever has happened in our life in the past, and that has actually just manifested itself in this world, and we are the experiencer. I'm experiencing it, and that's why I know that I'm going through this, I'm going through that. But the problem is when we differentiate ourselves from everybody else and say that I am this and they are that. You don't understand that it's a process. Clearly they have been to situations that has led them to becoming what they have, and you have been to situations which have led you to become what you have. And since you both had different journeys, you became different people, but that does not make you and they and everybody else separate and different from each other. You can be whatever you want to be, they can be whatever they want to be. And I want to get a promotion next year, okay? I keep saying that, but I'm not acting like that. My mind knows there is a future goal that I have kept, but it also knows that presently I'm not that person. I'm never going to achieve it. I'll only be frustrated because in present moment I'm not behaving like that, but I want that to happen with myself, and that's not going to happen. And even that's going to happen, it will not be out of the work that you do. So know that whatever you want to be in future, you have to behave like that today. You have to believe that you are. You have to work like that. You have to act like that. Your mind should know that you are this person. Otherwise, don't keep those ambitions and dreams. There is no problem even not keeping them. I'm not saying you have to keep them. That's your personal choice, what you want for yourself. But if you're wanting something for yourself, then you have to behave like that in the present moment, and then only it's going to happen for you. And trust me, it's going to happen for you. Nobody can stop that. Nobody. I think बहुत late हो चुका है. It's already 10. Although it's not that late. My cab is going to come at 11:30. So I still have some good time, and I will be using it not to watch any televisions or sleep or do something else. Rather, I will be opening my laptop now and working. मुझे पता है जो मेरे लिए जो कैमरा है ना, ये बहुत important है, क्योंकि it lets me vent out, it lets me say what I want to say. Okay, my laptop is charged. Okay, girlies, all you beautiful young mamas, मस्त रहो यार, enjoy करो.